Hello, dear students. This is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to explain GK and the unit is second. So all of you open GK book, okay, and the page number is 20. So all the students open page number 20. Chapter is 12 and the chapter name is World Famous Buildings. Okay, so open everyone, hurry up. Dear students, as you all know, our world has many buildings which are famous either for their unique architecture or for their historical importance. Some of them are given below. You have to write T for true and F for false statements. Okay, so just let's start. Question number first is, White House is the official residence of the President of USA. Yes, dear students, White House is the official residence of the President of USA. This statement is true. Now the statement number 2 is, Kaaba is a small building in Mecca. It is the chief pilgrimage site for Hindus. Dear student, this statement is false. Now the next, that is Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the royal family of UK. Dear student, this statement is true. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the royal family. Now the next one is, Abu Simbel is an ancient temple located in Egypt and is carved out of solid sandstone. Yes, dear students, this statement is also true. Now come to the statement number 5, that is, Scotland Yard is the largest office building in the world. It is the headquarters of the Department of Defense of USA. Dear students, this statement is false. Now statement number 6 is, Petronas Tower is the tallest building in the world and is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Dear students, this statement is true. Now the statement number 7 is, Birla Temple, built between AD 800 to 1200, is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Dear students, this statement is also false. Now come to the next statements. Dear student, next statement is, Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. Yes, dear students, this statement is true. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. Now come to the next page. Okay, this is the chapter 13 and the chapter name is Countries, Capital and Citizens. So dear students, you can see here 3 row and columns here. You have to identify which one is the capital of a country and what is their citizens called. So question number first is, India. Dear students, as you all know, New Delhi is the capital of India, and the citizen of India are called Hindi or Indian. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे भारत देश की जो राजधानी है वो है नई दिल्ली, और यहाँ के लोगों को हिंदी बोला जाता है या फिर इंडियन बोला जाता है। ठीक है। सेकेंड इज यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका। डियर स्टूडेंट, वाशिंगटन डीसी इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका एंड द सिटीजन आर कॉल्ड अमेरिकन। अमेरिका की जो राजधानी है वो वाशिंगटन डीसी है, और वहाँ के लोगों को अमेरिकन बोला जाता है। ओके, एंड द सिटीजन ऑफ अमेरिका आर कॉल्ड अमेरिकन। नाउ द थर्ड कंट्री इज कनाडा। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ओटावा इज द कैपिटल ऑफ कनाडा एंड द सिटीजन आर कॉल्ड कैनेडियन। वहाँ के जो सिटीजन्स होते हैं उनको कैनेडियन बोला जाता है। नाउ द फोर्थ कंट्री इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया, एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैनबरा इज द कैपिटल ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया and the citizen are called English. Now the next country is Iran. Dear student, Tehran is the capital of Iran and the citizen are called Iranian. Now the next is Afghanistan. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan and the citizen are called Afghanistani. Okay. Now the next is Italy. The capital of Italy is Rome and the citizen are called Italian. You must have to remember this. Now the next country is Iraq and the capital of Iraq is Baghdad and the citizen are called Iraqi. So dear student, you must have to learn this. Sorry students. Now look at the country number 9, Bangladesh. Bangladesh, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. The citizen are called बांग्लादेशी। बांग्लादेश का जो कैपिटल है बेटा वो ढाका है, और यहाँ के लोगों को बांग्लादेशी बोला जाता है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज फ्रांस। द कैपिटल ऑफ फ्रांस इज पेरिस एंड द सिटीजन आर कॉल्ड फ्रेंच। फ्रांस की राजधानी पेरिस है, और यहाँ के जो लोग होते हैं, सिटीजन्स होते हैं, उनको फ्रेंच बोला जाता है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट कंट्री इज ब्राज़ील। डियर स्टूडेंट, ब्राज़ील कैपिटल इज ब्रासिलिया एंड द सिटीजन आर कॉल्ड ब्राज़ीलियन। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज ग्रीस। The capital of Greek is Athens and the citizen are called Greek. Now the next country is Germany. The capital of Germany is Berlin and the citizen are called German. You all have to learn it. Now next country is China. The capital of China is Beijing and the citizen are called Chinese. Okay students. Now the next is Bhutan. Dear students, the capital of Bhutan is Thimphu and the citizen are called Bhutani. You all have to learn this country, capital and citizens. Now the next one is United Arab Emirates. The capital of United Arab Emirates is Abu Dhabi and the citizens are called Emiratis. Okay. Now the next country is Sri Lanka. Dear students, Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka and the citizens are called Sri Lankan. Okay. Now the next one is United Kingdom. Dear students, the capital of United Kingdom is London and the citizens are called Britain. Now next country is Singapore. Dear students, the capital of Singapore is Singapore and the citizens are called Singaporean. Okay. Now look at the next question. The next country is Spain. Dear students, the capital of Spain is Madrid and the citizens are called Spanish. You must have to remember this, students. Now next country is Russia. The capital of Russia is Moscow and the citizens are called Russian. Now the next, that is Pakistan. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad and the citizens are called Pakistani. Next is New Zealand. Dear students, the capital of New Zealand is Wellington and the citizens are called New Zealander. Now the last country name is Nepal. Dear students, the capital of Nepal is Kathmandu and the citizens are called Nepali. Okay students, now the page number 21 has gone finished and the next page I will explain in my next video. And thank you for watching my videos, students. Bye bye, have a good day.
Hi friends, in this video I will going to tell you about the country names and their capitals. Australia, capital is Canberra. Bhutan, capital is Thimphu. China, capital is Beijing. Canada, capital is Ottawa. Egypt, capital is Cairo. Philippines, capital is Manila. Russia, capital is Moscow. India, capital is New Delhi. Iraq, capital is Baghdad. Nepal, capital is Kathmandu. Pakistan, capital is Islamabad. United Kingdom, capital is London. United States, capital is Washington DC. Thailand, capital is Bangkok. Afghanistan, capital is Kabul. Albania, capital is Tirana. Algeria. Capital is Algiers. Andorra. Capital is Andorra la Vella. Angola. Capital is Luanda. Argentina. Capital is Buenos Aires. Armenia. Capital is Yerevan. Australia. Capital is Canberra. Austria. Capital is Vienna. Azerbaijan. Capital is Baku. Bahrain. Capital is Manama. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our videos of our channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell for more educational video notifications of our channel.